Wait, this one is good. Great value. I wish this one. Ito coffee. Mahal. Ito gusto ko mga kachupa kasi 0 calorie sweetener siya Nakita ko clearance, $5 lang yung mga sandals. Ayun, $5 mga kachupa. $5 lang to? Ayun, $5. Anong size na ito? Ay, may nakita akong short, $1 lang. Biling ko na to. Ayan, mga kasalanan. Kasalanan. Ang daming kasalanan. Ang sarap mga kachupapis. Hi mga kachupapis. For today's video, pupunta kami sa Walmart. And mag-grocery kami ng mga needs namin. Nakalimutan ko na naman ilista sa Kakatapos lang namin maglakad doon sa sa lake. 3 hours yata kami naglakad. Ang sakit ng paa ko. Tapos naligo ako. Hala! B! Huh? You forgot?
No, I left it open. I purposely went out there for vitamin D.
Oo. Naglakad kasi kami kanina mga around 12.
If we go around this time, there's no vitamin D. That's why we didn't plan to go there.
So pupunta kami ngayon sa Walmart.
We gotta go when the sun's at its peak.
Sabi ng asawa ko, alas 12 daw kasi dapat lumabas para makuha mo yung vitamin D sa katawan. Totoo ba yun?
Vitamin D. So
Kaya ang na-search ko kasi sa Google, 10 to 10 a.m.
long and you don't get sunlight, it starts to affect your health.
10 a.m. to
You're supposed to have a healthy dose of sunshine.
Ay, 3 a.m. 3 p.m.
I'll tell you what, Catherine.
Wala kasi kulang kasi ako sa vitamin D mga kachupa.
Oh, well, I see. Hey,
There's a car.
I didn't know.
So, punta kami ngayon sa Walmart. Nakalimutan ko yung mga mag-vlog ako. Sabi ko sa inyo, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga bibilin ko, yung mga price, price.
I'm so glad, like I said,
medyo maingay. Ayan ang kanyang pamangkin. At ito naman ang aking asawa. ka-chupapis. And then, ang aking new sleeper na may medyas kasi yung aking pahayos. Kasi magda-diet na kami ulit. Hindi ako makita rito. Pero papunta na kami sa Walmart. Nandito na kami sa Walmart. Let's go! Wow! Ano yung manager? Special. Binibenta noong $4 yung malaking pakwan. Dito tayo. Bili tayo ng mga kailangan natin sa Walmart. Yung strawberry, mura lang dito mga kachopa. Ito. Malaki to mga kachopa. Ayan, isang dangkal. Tapos, ganyan siya. Malaki siya. Ito usually yung binibili ko. Pero ito naman, super laki. Ayan. So, ayang malaki is $4 lang. At ito namang ganito, $2. And itong strawberry is $1 lang. Ito tayo. Bili tayo ng cucumber. Yung matigas pa. 2. Ito, very lucky. 64 cents lang siya. Tapos yung onion is $1.34. So ito.
Tomorrow we're back to regular food.
Ay, bakit nasama? Cha-ching, cha-ching. Gana ba ano? Gusto kong bumili ng ganito, romaine salad. Kaya lang doon tayo bumili. Dito tayo bumili. Ito masarap din to. Ito yung binibili ko. Oh. Ito na lang. Baby spinach mix. Ito na lang kaya. No, kachupa. Ito yung binibili ko kadalasan. Tignan natin yung bago naman, syempre. Aray, ang sakit naman kuhain. July 20. Yeah, we still have. You can use that.
We still have to. I don't want to buy it. I'll have to chop them up for the
I'm gonna buy this one. And then lettuce.
What about tomatoes?
We still have. Why? Ito yung gusto ko. Sana. So, ito is $4. Ayan. Ay, cauliflower ito, makajoka. Ay, ito, ayan. Romaine. Ito gusto ko makajoka. Kasi very crunchy siya. So, bili tayo na. This is yours? Oh.
This is romaine lettuce. This is iceberg.
I'm gonna use that one.
We can mix.
I'm gonna buy.
Save this. Well, you could save this for tomorrow. We're gonna make this today.
Okay. So, nandito tayo. Tignan mo yung mga flowers, mga kachopa. Ang ganda ng mga flowers dito. Ayan o, kachopa. Ano, magkano ba ito? $15 to. Ayan, $15. And then, ito naman is $15 to. Ito gusto ko mga kachopa. Very cute. Tsaka ito. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ano yung asawa ko? Ayan. So, bili ako ng chicken. Bili tayo ng chicken. Ito yung binibili namin mga kachopa, oh. Masarap to. Magkano ba yan? $11. Ayan, pag 12 pieces, $11. Pero kapag 5 pieces lang, ito, $4. 5 pieces na ganyan. 1, 2, 3. Ay, hindi to. Ito lang pala. Ito pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. Bili tayo ng... Bili kaya ako na ito. No, pang ano, kontatsu. Kontatsu ko makachopa. Yung maliit lang naman. Ayan, $8. Ito, bili tayo nito. Pang kontatsu. No. Yan. And then, ito pang, ano, pang kare-kare, mga kachopa. Masarap to pang kare-kare. Pero hindi tayo muna bibili nun. Ang bibiling ko is chicken breast para meron kaming July 21. Hanap tayo yung hindi masyado ma-expert. Ay, puro July 21. So, ito na lang.
Check and stuff. The person that's driving my car should be fired.
Exactly.
Ito may mga hotdog din sila. Ito sinasabi ko sa inyo mga kacha, parang salami. No. Pero hindi siya mukhang salami. Ito yata yung mga yun. Hindi na muna tayo bibili ng hotdog kasi nagda-diet tayo. So, ang bibili naman natin ngayon is I'm gonna buy this one because we're almost run out.
Chili powder?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ito oh, $1 lang. Naka-ano kasi sila. May tenderize, oregano. Meron kami yan. Ang kailangan ko onion powder and then at saka ano ba yun? Asa na yung ano? Garlic. Meron pa kaming garlic. Ano pa ba? Hindi, tama. Onion garlic. Ano to? Chili powder. So, ito lang. What's that?
Do that, like,
want cookies.
Onion. We're almost. So, magsasalad-salad kami ngayon. Bibili kami ng cheese para sa salad. Para meron kaming vitamin D. Mozzarella cheese. Ayan o. Ano?
Because you won't really taste it. Let's get
What the one that we eat in the Longhorn? They put mozzarella. It's good. No.
No, you mean the chicken bites?
No, in the salad. That's mozzarella cheese, right?
Yeah, that's sliced mozzarella.
Can you use that one? That one, no, small.
And this one, fat-free. Creamy milk. Let's get this one.
Okay. So $5.65. Ay, 64.
Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's Parmesan.
Oh yeah,
I think it's
Parmesan.
Parmesan. It's not mozzarella. Because I know Parmesan's a little bit salty. Mozzarella, it's very plain.
Okay.
I think it's not mozzarella.
Parmesan pala, kakachopa.
Parmesan.
Ayan, Parmesan is $4.98. Dami lang keso rito, iba-iba. Hanap tayong oyster sauce. Pure sesame oil. Mas may oyster dito. Ito. Lo, ang liit naman. Ang liit. Bibiling ko ba? And then bili tayo nito. No? Chili sweet sauce. Eh, ito naman. Mahal naman na ito. Ano ba to? Ito na lang. Try natin. So, ayan.
Find it?
Yeah.
Okay, which pasta do you want?
Ano, the small one.
those stuff are good.
Ito oh, gluten-free.
I know about the oyster
So,
sauce.
$2. What do you buy? This one, right? Okay, buy this one. 2. Kasi, magpapasta kami.
That's the one, the big one.
Ha?
Okay, let's go get breadcrumb.
Yeah, breadcrumb. Bibili akong breadcrumb kasi magko-kontatsu ako. Kontatsu ba tawag? Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. Kontatsu? Basta gusto ko tikman yun. Pagka, magsasalad kasi ako ngayon, nakaka-chupa. Gusto kong kumain ng salad. Ay, Caesar salad pala. Forgot. Ayun, dito. Buti na lang yung sabi ko kung hindi na ako nakauwi na naman kami. Hindi na naman ako nakabili. So, hanap tayo Caesar salad. Ayoko ng ranch, mga kachupa. Basta gusto ko Caesar. Kasi masarap. Ay? Where? Breadcrumbs? Saan? Where? I cannot see. That's not breadcrumbs.
Yeah, it is. It is. You trust me. This is garlic flavor. That's the regular one. This one has cheese flavor.
The breadcrumbs is the one that, you know, when you cook the ano. This is the real. I can buy this one.
Are you talking about the one for salad, or what are you talking about? This is for salad.
For my chicken. So it's crispy when I cook. You know what I mean? Breadcrumbs.
I don't know what you're saying. You mean cornstarch?
Something like that, but it's different. But I'm gonna buy this one too. And then, where's the Caesar salad? Wala yung Caesar salad though. Lee, find me yung Caesar salad. Ay, ito, B. Ito ba? Caesar. $1 lang. B, this one is good. Great value. I wish this one. B, I wish this kind of like brand like this.
Well, I think we still have some ranch at home. I don't know. If you want to try it, you could try it. I've never tried this. I can't tell you. You want to try it?
Yeah. So, $1 lang naman siya. So, bili tayo. So, ito yung favorite ko ngayong chocolate, mga kachupa. So, may get 500 siya. Isang ganto. So, ilang ano to? 150 grams. Pare-pares lang naman siya ng laki. Nandito tayo. Find it? Breadcrumbs. Fish. Dito mga crumbs, yung sandwich. Masa yung breadcrumbs? Hindi ko mahanap. Mga chupa.
Fish breading, fish.
May fish breading pala. Ano ba itong seafood breading? Ito hero, B. B, ito oh.
This is for fish. You're making fish fry breading mix. Are you using it for chicken? Then
Yeah, ayun na pala, chicken pala.
So season frying mix.
This one oh.
This?
No,
This?
Yeah. I see. Kaya mo yan.
Get over here. So seasoned chicken fry.
Ayan, yan. I need. Ay,
Okay.
this is seasoning eh. It's not crumbs.
Well, that's what I'm looking. You see, seasoned chicken fry.
Hindi breadings yun, B. That's not breadings.
Chicken batter mix, firmly pressed chicken, deep fried. It is, me.
Huh?
It is. Coats up to 7 pounds of chicken. It is. This is chicken batter. It's seasoned, but it is. It's powder. You mix it with some water.
Okay, I'll try that one then.
5 tablespoons cold water, half in a large bowl. Dip chicken into batter.
$3.76.
This is just like the cornstarch, but this is like special, like mix. It has a special mix.
Ito oh. Coffee. Mahal. Ito gusto ko mga kachopa, oh. Kasi 0 calorie sweetener siya, oh. $16 nga lang. Medyo mahal. Splenda. Ito mura rin. $13 lang din. Yung mga coffee yan, mga kachopa, ha. Ito naman is parang, tama. Parang coffee to. Ayan pala, baby. That's a breadcrumbs. Ito. It's kind of like this.
That's pork. That's cornflakes.
Where's the breadings?
We got it already.
But I just need the breadings. I don't like seasoning.
Breadcrumbs? Here's breadcrumbs. Italian style. You just want the breadcrumb. Chicken parmesan.
Wala pa yung ano lang?
This is also breadcrumbs right here. If you don't want seasoning, get whatever you want. It's all right here. That's breadcrumbs down there too. I'll put this one back.
I'll try that one then. I'll try that one then.
And this one?
Yeah. Try ko muna yung ganon. Next time na ako dyan. Kana! Nakita ko clearance, $5 lang yung mga sandals. Ayun, $5 mga kachopa. $5 lang to? Ayun, $5. Anong size na ito? 13? Pwede kaya to kay Marcos? No? Ang kachopa. Ito $5 lang din, no? Ito na lang kay Marcos. Kasya na kaya ito? Tignan nga natin. Wala, lagpas. Hindi pa kasya yan kay Marcos. So, hanap tayong iba. $5 lang. Ano, $5 lang yan, makachupa. 250 pesos sa atin. Ito maganda, oh. Kaya lang wala namang kasya sa mga pamangkin ko ng ganito. Pero maganda, oh. Andy ang tatak. Oh, diba? Size 3. Walang size ng ganyan yung aking mga pamangkin. Mga naka-clearance din, oh. Nagkaubusan na mga kachupa, oh. Nagkaubusan na. Yung aking asawa, nag-ano na. Ayan. $9 naman. Dito ko binili yung sandals ko, eh. Ito maganda, mga kachupa, oh. Ito maganda siya. Ito rin. Kaya lang ito hindi mga naka-clearance. Ito $6 lang. Ang dami, oh. Ito maganda rin, oh. Kaya lang, madami na ako napamili. Okay na yan. Ay, may nakita akong short. $1 lang. Biling ko na to. Small naman yung tatak niya. Ay, yung size niya. So, carry boom sa akin to. Wala na. Ito na lang. Mag-iisa lang. Takot tayo. Baby, buy me this. $1. So, pauwi na kami. Perfect timing yung aking pagkakuha ng $1 na short. Hindi ko kasi mag-short pagka nasa bahay lang. Pero kapag malamig, lagi akong balot na balot. Diba? Totoong may $1 na short. Sa Walmart. So, pauwi na kami mga kachupapis at gagawa kami ng salad. Dahil nag-fasting kami for today's video, hindi pa ako kumakain. Kaya parang gugutom na ako, nahihilo na ako, nahihilusinate na ako. Wala, you open already?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you left open, eh.
Yeah, right.
Pasok na tayo. Init ng car.
You know.
So magsasalad tayo later pagka uwi natin. Ipapakita namin kung paano kami mag-salad. Nandito na kami mga kachopa. Yung mga pinamili namin. Gagawa kami salad ngayon. And then, masarap pala to. This is so good.
It is?
Nakalimutan ko, meron pala kaming ganito dito. Nakalagay. Nakatago. Nakaganyan, no? Ayan, yung mga ano. Kasalanan. Kasalanan. Ang daming kasalanan. Ano muna tayo? Only one, ha?
Yes, only one.
That's how you do? You don't need to wash it?
It's good, Lee. You don't have to wash it.
Ew.
It's good. Trust me, it's good. They pre-wash all this stuff before they package it. The ones that you have to wash are probably the ones that they don't pre-package it. But if they pre-package it, then you don't have to wash.
You want me to cut this one?
Yes, I want you to chop those and the celery and the carrots.
Okay. I'm gonna put this one on the fridge first. Lagay muna natin to sa freezer. Ang dami nating fish, oh. Kuha tayo ng carrots. How many carrots?
How big is the carrot? Let's do 3.
3. So, kuha na tayo ng lettuce. Ito yung minix natin. Kanina na lettuce. Yan. Okay. And then carrots.
Whatever you want.
And then cucumber.
Oh, you know, we forgot some onions.
Yeah.
Do we have any more red onions?
Yeah. You want onion?
Yeah, chop a little bit. Maybe not a lot, but chop a little bit.
Hold on. I'm gonna chop onions.
It's a beautiful. Not a lot. We're not gonna hold it. I only want a little bit.
Okay.
But if you want a lot, you can get a lot. But I only want a little bit.
Well, I chop it already.
It's okay. We can get some for later.
This one is for tomorrow.
Okay.
Hey, you want onion, Nick?
Oh, me? Oh, I guess, yeah.
Oh.
I could use some. If if you guys have more than enough. Oh,
More than enough.
Thank you. Yeah, if you guys have more than enough, I'll use that too. I really
So,
appreciate
ayan, may
that.
onion na tayo mga kachupa. So, ayan na, kachupa. Lagyan natin ng onion dahil favorite ko rin ang
They
onion.
make you go on.
Alam, where's the bread? Give me bread.
Tell me everything I need.
Ito yung bread na binili natin kanina.
Everything you need to know.
Big blood blue bottle. And then,
He told me everything I need to
Give
know.
me
That's
a-
why when he says,
ito mga kachupa masarap
out of the
tayo.
way.
So, lagyan
That one
natin.
has like fruit mix in it, so I don't like it, but you can try it if you want. I like just the regular fruit.
Hey, ang sarap mga kachupa.
You
First
have a
meal.
way with bread.
First meal and last meal.
Maybe some more later too.
Why?
I just moved it because it was on top of it.
Am I gonna put cheese now? Before I put this one?
Yeah, you can put whatever you want. There's no special order for the cheese.
Lagyan natin yung Parmesan cheese. Uy, ang sarap!
You're so hungry?
Yeah.
You are ready?
Anong oras na? Alas 6:30 na, B. We're fasting for 20 hours already.
You guys.
I wish they make this easier to open, but it's not.
Hirap na yung isa dun. Yan. Perfect.
Now you got it. There we go.
Okay. So, i-shake natin. Lagyan natin. Ay, ang sarap mo kacho, Papi.
What? It's just
And
here.
then,
It doesn't work.
I-mix na natin siya. Tikman natin ang ating salad. Yung sa asawa ko, ranch. Bay, let me see. Ito yung kanyang ano. Tikman natin kung masarap ba ang Caesar salad or hindi. Very fresh.
Good? Some tomato.
Ang sourdough.
You want a full one?
Okay.
Good?
龙眼啊，请问有可可不要？
I don't know. I think there is. You have to look in there. Lee, is there a lid for that pan? I think there was.
那买点。
Ang sarap. Kahit wala siyang egg. No? It's good. Even without egg. No.
It's fine. Egg is not necessary.
Kain mo lang kami mga kachupa. Enjoy muna natin itong salad natin. Mahaba na yung vlog. Thank you for watching mga kachupa. Enjoy our salad.